Hello everyone, and welcome to another year of incredible adventures. I don't know about you, but I am already feeling the excitement and anticipation of the new year. As we approach the beginning of a brand new calendar year, I wanted to take a moment to take a step back and reflect on the incredible journey we've had together on my YouTube channel. I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this adventure. Your support, comments, and engagement have been the driving force behind everything we've done and continue to do on this channel. You have helped shape our content, and we have had the opportunity to share our passion. As we look forward to the year ahead, I have some wonderful dreams and goals for our channel. I am excited to continue to grow our audience, share even more amazing content with you, and explore new and exciting ways to engage with all of you. I also want to take a moment to wish you all the best for the new year. I hope that 2024 brings you happiness, health, and all the opportunities you wish for. I know that there will be challenges along the way, but I also know that with determination, resilience, and a little bit of luck, we can overcome anything that comes our way. So as we ring in the new year, I want to say once again thank you. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and thank you for helping me make it all possible. Here's to a fantastic year ahead, and here's to all the incredible things that we have yet to discover. Happy New Year, everyone! Let the adventures begin!